What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be hot and sunny tomorrow.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be cold and windy tomorrow.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be cloudy and rainy tomorrow. Future simple. Today I will meet 3 friends. We will go to the forest tomorrow. My friends and I will sleep in the sleeping bags. Future simple – это будущее время, которое описывает действия и события в будущем, а именно вечером, через 5 часов, завтра, на следующем уроке, в следующем году и так далее. Make the sentences. I will travel. No, I will not. She will not go to the park after lunch. You will not fly to France in the summer. They will not run tomorrow. Will not, won't. Dogs won't fly to Greece. I won't go to her party tomorrow. He won't swim in the river next winter. Will you sleep in the sleeping bag in the forest tonight?
Yes, I will.
Will you eat berries in the forest?
Yes, I will.
Will you wear our flippers?
No, I won't. I will sleep in the sleeping bag. She will swim in the swimsuit.
They will eat delicious berries. He will wear the boots.